Customer, this is our new Wi-Fi plus GSM alarm system. This is the GSM card. Okay. Now I'll show you how to connect the Wi-Fi and pair and give authorization to the smartphone. Okay, now we'll connect the Wi-Fi. 这里需要近一点，你就拉近一点嘛。Now we'll enter the password. Change to app mode. Now click the connecting. Set. Now we'll add the pair the panel with the app. Click add the equipments here and scan the QR code of the panel. Byte OK. You are now the administrator of this panel. Okay. Now you can also give the authorization to other smartphone. This authorization here, and you can authorize. Enter the one you give authorization must have the app account. By the set. When you need to unbind the equipment, you can click here, unbind the equipment. Okay. Now we can control the panel with app. Also, you'll receive a push message here. Away arm. Now I link the door sensor to the panel. Now you can test the door sensor. Defense zone 1. We can modify the zone name in app. Setting. Zone attribution. Now arm the panel. Also, we need to preset the phone number to receive alarm calling. Okay, now we'll trigger the door center to make alarm. You can see this is a push message and alarm calling. We can answer the alarm calling.
Press 4 to intercom.
Then press 1 to arm, press 2 to disarm.
Press 1 to arm. Press 2 to disarm. Press 3 to monitor. Press 4 to intercom.
Now I'll show you how to run the relay to the panel. Register device. Press OK and again press the study button. Now it's pairing. Set. Now we can control the relay with home automation. Press here. You can control. For the first 4 is for the wired relay, and the last 4 is for wireless. Okay. This relay can connect with some turn on and turn off the home auto appliance. When alarm happens, you can monitor your home. Press here. This one. Now it's connected. It's wireless. This become is wireless. Now can control the camera to monitor what is happening. One there is without Wi-Fi. You can switch to the GPRS. Now you can also control the panel with GPRS. You need some time to switch to network to GPRS. Now it's a success. Okay. When you trigger the door sensor, you also can receive the alarm. And the alarm calling. This is our new GSM plus Wi-Fi and GPRS home alarm system. Thank you.